you go. Another. Oh, look at that. Okay, Christian. Look at that. Okay, Arden. Okay, Arden does not want to do it. Here goes. And that's really it, folks. So that's good. So, yeah. And the taco just jumped inside. Here comes Christian again. Luke, get in the picture, dude. Cool, look at that. Oh, there's taco soup. Oh, look at that Barton. Not even jumping. Here comes Luke Smith. Oh, bunny hop over that. Bunny hop over the hump. Here comes Christian. Jump again. Okay, guys, this is the finale, guys. So you might want to do this your best. There we go. Bunny hop over the hump. Here, see if Luke can do something. And he does. Bunny hop over the hump again. See, Christian? And just a regular. Okay, guys.